Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and first things first, happy 2020. I cannot believe we are in a new decade. It's a new week and in a new month. So I am super excited to start the year by cleaning and organizing. But first things first, I want to take Christmas down, and I thought I would share this with you guys just in case you're looking for a little bit of motivation or inspiration in case you haven't taken your Christmas decorations down. I am Mexican, so traditionally Mexican people take their Christmas decorations on the 6th of January because that's when the three wise men came to give the gifts to baby Jesus. But I'm ready to start with a clean slate and just fresh. So I have many organizational and cleaning videos just for you this year. So stick around and let's get started. So the first thing that I did is go to Target and actually grab bins that are color coded so that I know exactly that they are specifically for Christmas storage. And I grabbed a couple because they were at a good price, but they didn't really have a lot of them. And I also grabbed a bubble wrap roll for the more delicate ornaments. Sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming to take all of your Christmas decorations in one single day, but what I did is just literally start and not think about it too much. And I started by grabbing all of the ornaments, and some of them are placed in this clear bin that has like cardboard dividers, and then the rest are placed on the floor because I wanted to separate items that are like the same into different categories. And then I grabbed this mesh decorative ribbon and I started rolling it up. So as you can see on the floor, I have the items that are a little bit more sturdy, separated into categories, and then these are the glass or ceramic items that I want to protect in this box. I used this ribbon as a little bit of cushioning for the glass ornaments, and I had a little bit of clearance. The lid, as you can see, is thick, so it fit perfectly. Then it was time to roll up my Christmas lights, and thank God I saved these little plastic spools, I think they're called, or just like, you know, to roll out the Christmas lights. And it was a little bit of time consuming, and since I'm short, I had to ask my husband for help when it came to taking the lights off of the tree in the upper area. I like to keep boxes for my bigger decorations. I am so glad I did. I know I have a lot of breakable stuff in this table, and that's why I put my pillows at the bottom of the box, but I'm also going to be utilizing the bubble wrap. So the garland on my stairs was a little bit more of a time-consuming and complicated takedown, but the good thing is that I didn't glue anything to the garland, so it was easily removed. And just to keep everything a little bit more organized, I put certain items in Ziploc baggies to make it easier for me next year to decorate my stairs garland. So this is Curious Charlie, and he just likes to observe everything I do. So next I'm tackling the family room, and this room is filled with Christmas. So I thought that I was just going to start with the easiest task, which is just gather the Christmas cushions and then move on to my fireplace.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.
I also saved the wrapping paper that they give you at Marshall's when you buy Rae or ceramic decorations. But another good thing to use is the grocery bags or newspaper.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
And then once I had everything placed at the bottom of my red bin, I added a blanket for more cushioning and my stockings. So at this point I started to get a little bit overwhelmed, and right now we are in my dining room. But like I said at the beginning of the video, what I did is just literally start. I grabbed a little bit more of those papers that they give you at Marshall's, and I just started wrapping all of my Rae mugs.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out.
And then I remembered that I had some placemats and kitchen towels that I could also wrap my mugs and cookie jars with, so that it didn't, just to utilize them so that everything doesn't break. I enlisted the help of my husband once again to take the garland out, and I also saved the boxes to store the garlands. So I had a marshmallow wreath right here in the mirror, and it completely got destroyed little by little, so I just took all of the marshmallows out, and I'm going to save the wreath and the ribbon. I didn't buy any labels, but I just grabbed a piece of tape and wrote exactly what was in each box. So now I need to put away my Christmas mugs, and I'm just going to store them in my cabinet that is dedicated for all of my mug collection. I just put everything like all the way back and bring everyday mugs to the front.
Days and nights won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on.
And finally, moving on to the kitchen, I started with the baby wreaths that I have in my bar stools. And then I placed everything that was Christmas related in my island and all the breakable stuff in one of the corners.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to.
Once again, I start filling my bins with the items that are cushiony at the very bottom, like these pine trees or greenery, and then the rest of the things I'm just going to wrap them up with these leftover grocery bags that I have. They're great for wrapping up glass or ceramic.
Never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching.
Lastly, the next day, I started to take down my biggest Christmas tree, and I grabbed another one of these divider bins for my glass ornaments. And just so that I keep this video nice and short, you guys, I didn't show you all of the Christmas tree takedown, but I pretty much did exactly the same as I did in my other Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching. This is how my house looks right now with no decorations whatsoever. So now I can do a deep cleaning and redecorate my house, so stay tuned for that video. I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any of the amazing content that I will be having this year. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Sky is falling.